Ghana movie industry. Moko tena ase producers no bi ene mpanifo no. Moko tena ase ekobo mo pobone no. Movie industry ni gu ye no. Mu wie no. Ana mo say telenovela baaye no. Ena abe say Kumawood and I say Ghana movie industry. Mo ankasa da bia mo be kasa na ma chire mu na ma chire adwem boni a ene poboni a mo boy a di movie industry no ba fom mo a mo be kasa abusia mo mi enhwe video yi ye ba ye behu ye ya movie industry ni eden egu ye omo ankasa be ka omo anu sem bako mo mi enhwe video no
Ola yabo odin yo yese wo woni producers mo ka bo mu eyi gyakoo enu aduane efiri
anya no kre
wo ka wo dio say nya no ko bi an challenge
mimi dia no me kan me wo proof
me ba so me ba wo
mimi dia no
wo dia no ma ba wo so wo dey esi ni twani
say mo bi an tafi bese na me say
mimi proof me mo proof say me na mala mimi wo proof say wo kan
what ya say ma le
dia me kan me dia me say anya no kre no ade na ma me nche mimi wo chire mu ture say me ba
wo so mo bi ka wa sem wo ka say mo bi nka say
ola na me no ola dia me no
ende mani nche mu
ola dia se me kama se so sumu a be okay ba se ni ola de se koye
ene mo bi adi ni mpanta kwa bia ma kasa
oni de ti a me se anya no kre se wo se nipa bi ko tenas na eyi obi anu aduane afiri me na me se anya no kre we say asam ka ye wo mu kwan bebrede ka se wan hwe a wo ka ni se ya na akwa say ye koye obi abro but the whole idea was we got to a point where not everything was about nipa bako. We can't sit in Ghana na nipa bako pe. And yes, so betting I see the whole Ghana. Why? So the idea was okay, young penny being count, young titi being count, young pushy being count. Na se nipa way bra, young timi trasema or bra no in that no. So that the other people can also take over. Bonnie Benny, and you know boy ma ubedi kind.
On kasa
okay me modi anya na bo akojo nkasa le we mo bedi nkan
so modi di
ma bedi kan wa he
yeah but that's a fact
kojo
ma me say no so anya na bo answer mani answer wie
ya no se na bo a e ma who knows tomorrow esusu edi di kan we got to a point now after ye do no ye lead character because it wasn't happening
me balance you me kan pacho down
no me share woni Mr. no kasa
woni me come in person I'm very interested in what you're saying
see so we obi a wo follow senior emre bi etwam wo be resini bia na nipa ba kope everything was
nipa ba ko dey wine
yeah gyakoo
there's nothing wrong with that
exactly and ye hu ni say no say ye pesa de ni kon kan a how see titi bi ka ho
okay
it's a meeting
the meeting was not to put obi aside but was to push other people along no you cannot come home now come home now usa na me come home no because I didn't care we and this no and you agree say no sir and me say let me and you anya ni sa so anka wo no kan nya ni so TV so no ase but they won't say enyem me kan wase say the main purpose am ko trust no say mo trust say nya gyakoo
anya boom kasa
brawler
yes bra
what's the brawler
asem we me matida
yeah gyakoo ankasa kwa kana
good now when you say you want to add on yeah
That's fine.
It's beautiful.
But to blacklist.
But to blacklist the person and not use them to shoot.
That's wrong.
Wow, you're wrong.
But nobody blacklisted
him.
Wait.
That time, you know, he was in no movie. You didn't cast him in any movie.
No. And I'm sure the TS, you know, so by Odru Mebia or selected directors or non Bejima. Producers of non Bejima.
And it's a and Casamonia, Chichim
yeah.
Chichim Sako,
selected directors are there. It was after this plan, no. And then no say, or directors or no Bejima. Producers or no me.
That's any choice.
Yes, it will be an Begrudging.
Yeah.
But unfortunately for him, now young producers, need directors, need doors to change one or select one. And those young producers, no, so we Kwajon Kasamana Kobetumuna and more. So they began to produce more with these people and less with Eja. That's why Namuhuni said as a blacklist, you know. But there was no blacklist, but he was working for a few.
Because different. What can you do? Different things. First, no, say. Mutnasi ye meeting say nipa baako enim na ne ye hu and I'm pushing because see I see only directors be on one select directors
along that line no along after that
it's after mo decide say mo use na enim
yes and on no sense okoti bibi sa and on no so yes okay me ne anod enkwan anod ye madam for me no on kwan betia direct
but this happened
it no say who your producer na say bia o say we lame direct ma wa so there be me peno man of me and I'm a bulldog me
okay mami be say
maybe so my so okay
mami be say
bisa me
meeting na mo go tina ase no say na on come meeting no
he wasn't supposed to be
good
a producers next year
good inti mo ko kan wo ne chi no say say cool be
enye cool a plan
whichever way call it whatever you want to call it yeah Muko now say Charlie, we are bread into your count. Now, what did you expect him to do? If these are the people he works with all the time, and now and you see, I'm sure say before you enrolled him or you started casting him, you went to him to say, oh, brah, betra be mine, obizuko brah. Until someone decided say mo person money ni juma bi ma, then I'm obey.
You're going to catch us in
obviously.
Want to catch you?
No, listen. No, truth.
I don't even going to go catch you.
Sir, you have employment with OKFM, right?
No.
Hey, sorry. Despite media.
Despite
media, yes. Look, so much troll letter. Say omunu person mu ejuma. Ochina omu person omunu be ejuma bi uma. Omu be troll letter. Me
That's
different.
But
no, I just cited that as an example.
An example here for
for
example, Papa.
No, you see, you are a wicked person.
Oh, no,
that's why. Yeah, no, that's why you are saying, say, example here for all I'm trying to say is say, a gyakoo didn't do wrong by choosing the people he wanted to work with. Because mu mo kwa kotina ne
ti. Na wan so ye boni.
Debi, meba.
Yen ka so ye boni.
Ya mu ye ne boni.
Say yen so ye bo ma afoforo so.
No, debi ene sa. Mo mboa. Mu pese mu boa. Mu be ka say okay, a gyakoo wanim. Now, say ye be trust scripts e be fa a gyakoo hu pe a. Ye di obi be ka ne ho. Because someone no trust script no. He's just an actor. Are you people telling me say you are not creative enough to say instead of a gyakoo starring this movie, we'll start a movie with Only Way. Are you not that creative? Oh, I feel the YSM. I feel the YSM. So no me. So I'm saying say, mo nim de mo person mo ye mo blacklisting. And tonight I say mo person mo dey be count. It's sad, bruh. You don't look at it like it.
Who accusing me, son?
Me na me accuse you. You accuse you na me do something. No, me what get do say
I'm black in through still.
Abusia, so we nipa timi kwotena se. Na dwen say. Yenyi asoma sin film. Wutimi ko han hotel anase auditorium. Na ma ye meeting say. Yenyi we mfiri ho na yemfa we mra yenyi we mfiri ho na yemfa we mra we kura de aso ye popular do ase aye ono nko a nti yemfa nipa fo from mra enye bone se obeka se otiti obi enye bone kura cause den a ye wo ho no obi twam ama foforo aba nti otiti obi a eye na mum se wo tena se aye meeting se producers nyina mu hia na ma meeting se we yemfa ne nye yemfa we nko anye yemfa we nye ana we mu nipa 1 2 3 4 yemfa omo nye ye de foforo ba wo tena se meeting na chese wo de adwembone ye den ekai ade na wo ye nachi enom ka se omo hyeda eyi omo firi mu abusan se wo hu nti obi ti baby na okoka se telenovela TV stations ni bi sha se yiyi ye no na ma omanfo ani ko ho a enye no kreda penfo se wo kan tambu amnamu a epie enti ade a wo beye bia no wo ankasa one day wo begina ba bi na waka ho asem enipa behu ne se enamoso na ade ne se ye onso omoka o producer o yi producer lewen se wesi weya se o tie producer na ni masem a so mbe hia e na omoka se say ni nti yemfa we ni enye na ese se yetiti nipa foforo onko from ubetuma titi obi ende ese adwuma no mo ye obi abetimi aye ba se obeka se me free we biem me free we minye sie na chese adwumbo ne ka nti movie industry na collapse ye no ayemo na collapse no nti ma mo ntani around na mo nka se telenovela Ghana for performing movie ahun se egu ye no ano na di mu didi o na mama aduane di egu ye no the one say whisker ne say come de no egu ye no the onye comedian ne say watani comedian by force se wo hu se o ya abura ebi kan wo ankasa producers na mu hia ye meeting say yetiti obi di na bemu no me bubi ansa enye me problem ba se mo be ye madwen se we had been say mu hia meeting no cry wrong if you say eye poboni na mo ye den mo bo etia omo a mo pese mo yi omo free mu no say ne papa mu say ne boni mu movie na gu ewo mu say ye den a obi anko obi mba ba say obo epo mu be hia makọ han auditorium na say hotel eye meeting say yenyi we film on say ne come de on say ne unye sika de say the first na movie industry no one on say first yenye je wo so say the first na je wo so no yes we ya to abura wo tan yem abi say ha bubi ansan media misrew Samia content na ma enye sika ana say one subscribe am na nhye mi nkran ya eya na ma adwuma na me yen ase sebi agro bi na me dinti misrew subscription button me subscribe na enye aniche nko a medamase yankopon enka mo akram bye bye